Air Big Cat is at it again, and we're taking a trip to see Hoover and TJ in their enclosures. These enclosures are much different than our other tiger enclosures because they have lake access. Also, the tunnel system to the vacation rotation does not come here because it's just too far away. But that doesn't seem to be an issue for Hoover or TJ, as both of them don't mind hopping in the transport wagon and going for a ride through the sanctuary. TJ has one of these enclosures because in the past he's been known to break his pools, so there's no way he's going to break the lake. And Hoover lives in one of these enclosures because after 11 years of performing in the circus and living in a small barren cage, he deserves nothing more than living in this 1-acre enclosure you see behind me. So buckle your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Thank you for choosing Air Big Cat, and we hope to see you soon for our next destination.